car prep, keeping your vehicle in great condition. Let's talk about the interior, then we'll get to the exterior secondly. Let's talk about interior. Number one, you're taking your family on a vacation. You're going to spend hours in this vehicle. You're going to be breathing the air, touching the surfaces. Your kids, Aunt Becky, Uncle Johnny, whoever is all in the car with you. First things first, you're going to want to make sure that all the trash is removed, it's been freshly vacuumed, that the surfaces have been been wiped down with an antibacterial or antimicrobial wipe. Make sure your windows are clean. Also, this brings back to mind one thing that I would strongly recommend that you look at before you head out of town, back to the maintenance of your vehicle, the mechanical operation, are the headlights. Are your headlights dull or oxidized? Secondly, is your windshield very clean? Are your windshield wiper blades been changed lately? Is your license plate light, tag light, working properly? Some things you never think about. So anyway, back to the interior. So the interior, you want to make sure that it's germ-free, that the air is breathable and good for your family. A few things here that you can do. Number one, the cabin filter inside your vehicle. Go to YouTube and type in your make, model of vehicle, how to change the in-cabin air filter, and more likely it's a no-brainer. If you can't get it done, give US Auto Spa a call. We'll be happy to assist you. You'd be amazed the amount of dirt, the black, kind of a black residue, leaves. I've seen all kinds of stuff, hair, dog hair, I don't know what else. Pretty much that it removes from the air circulation. So you turn your air conditioner on, you put it on recirculate, the air is going through and through and through your car. It's got to go through something. It's going through this filter. How clean is your in-cabin air filter in your vehicle? Have you checked it lately? Are you jeopardizing the health of your family by letting them breathe air that they shouldn't be breathing? On the inside, you're going to make sure that the vinyl and plastics are protected from UV damage. There's products on the market you can get by McGuire's, dash protectant. It's not bad. I do recommend the G-Technic products. They have matte dash, which protects your dash from fading and cracking. Also, if you haven't considered, one great thing in the interior of your vehicle to reduce sun damage, or have your windows tinted. And they have ceramic window tinting, which is very effective in reducing almost all the UV damage that goes in your vehicle. As you travel, every time you get gas, just go through your vehicle and just police it. Get rid of all the trash. You can throw away everything you can throw away in the vehicle, any trash, down to the gum wrapper. Just get rid of it, or a straw, so you don't have any buildup. As you travel, it's good to have a bag. A Publix bag works good for this, to put random trash in. It's also have a good bag, have a cup, especially if you have kids. Have an extra, I'd say 10 or 12 Publix bags in there, so when when little Johnny or Susie, upchucks, vomits all over your vehicle. So a Publix bag is a great way to have something to have in your vehicle. If someone were to get sick, they don't expose your whole vehicle to a bunch of contaminants, and you don't have to contract US Auto Spa to come out and rid your vehicle of biohazards. So in the interior, make sure that the windows are clean. Make sure that when you're traveling, make sure that you've got your side view mirrors adjusted, your rear view mirror adjusted. Make sure all the lights are working around the vehicle, your headlights working, high and low beam. Make sure there's no check engine light. Make sure that you have also like a flashlight, the jumper cables, an emergency kit. You may want to take some extra water. Who knows what situation you're going to get into. So that covers pretty much the interior. Let's talk about exterior. Exterior, you're going down to Florida. It's June. And what's big in June in Florida? I love bugs. Love bugs. They're like missiles. When you ride through love bugs, it's like your vehicle is getting hailstones patted all over across all of the surface of your vehicle. Within these bugs, those large bugs to the smallest bug that you'll hit, they have acids. Those acids, the second they hit your vehicle surface, they start to react with the clear coat. And what I mean by that is the acid in the bug starts to penetrate the clear coat surface, and there's no protection, so it etches into that clear coat. There are only at the most maybe 4 or 5 coats of clear coat in your vehicle, possibly much less. So you only have a little bit of damage that you can spare. In fact, the amount of clear coat on a vehicle is less than the thickness of a dollar bill, to give you an idea. So with that in mind, what do you want to have? You're going to want to have your vehicle protected as much as possible. This is what I would suggest. Before you go on vacation, not after, but before, you have your vehicle professionally detailed. U.S. Auto Spa offers on-site detailing. We are a mobile company. We bring the detail shop to you. So before you go on your road trip, we can come out, give you a full assessment of what needs to be done to your vehicle. We can protect it there, that when you go on your trip, that you have the peace of mind that knowing no matter what happens is the paint is protected. And you have a peace of mind that if you were to get hard water spots, bird droppings, bug damage, all this stuff, it doesn't matter. Even something from the road, maybe tar or road paint, your paint will be protected. Ceramic coatings, in a nutshell, are pretty much a sacrificial barrier. What I mean by that is this. If a contaminant gets on the surface of your paint and you have a ceramic coating, which is a nano ceramic glass coating, we offer ceramic coatings that range from 2 years to 9 years. We also are accredited through G-Technic Network. Yes, G-Technic, GTCHNIQ, North America. U.S. Auto Spa is an accredited detailer and installer for G-Technic. Very few people in the United States can say that. I'm very proud to say we are one of the few. So if your vehicle has a nano glass coating on it, it has like a nuclear shield of protection. So if you were to get any damage on your vehicle, let me tell you the beauty of that. You contact U.S. Auto Spa. We come out, we polish that out, we prep it, we reapply some coating. It's not even that. It's not even that big of a deal, and you're good to go. You don't have the protection. You get bird droppings, acid rain, hard water spots, road paint. That's probably something I'm forgetting. On your vehicle, it hits your clear coat. Like I said, less than a dollar bill thickness starts to react, penetrate that clear coat, and that acid burns fast. And then you are at a point that your beautiful vehicle, whether you're driving it for a 2-year, 3-year lease, you buy a new car every 18 months, or you're going to drive it for 10 years. Either way, you don't want to have the ugliest vehicle in the parking lot, especially at church or at your office. So if you're going on a trip, as far as the exterior, make sure your paint is protected with a polymer paint sealant at the least, and a ceramic coating. Ceramic coatings are very affordable. We have a 2-year ceramic coating that starts at $3.99. It's an excellent product. It gives great durability, great shine, UV protection. Protection from environmental, industrial fallout. And actually, one thing I want to mention is when you have a ceramic coating in your vehicle, the washing your vehicle is almost enjoyable. And when it rains, it's kind of like mesmerizing because all the water beads up on the surface and just sheets off. So ceramic coatings are the future. There's a hashtag that says #wax is dead. Wax is dead. You want long-term protection, peace of mind. You want to make sure that your vehicle is free of contaminants, bacteria. You have an odor that you cannot somehow get rid of. Any of these things apply to you. US Auto Spa has a solution. We are a vetted company. Look us up on Google. Google US Auto Spa reviews. Guarantee you'll find some good stuff about us. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.